Hello everyone, so yesterday SARS issued the dates for the 2025 tax season, and this is the video to highlight those. So the 2025 tax season is starting the 7th of July, not the 1st like in past years, and SARS will issue auto assessments, and then the season opens officially for everyone else, companies, trusts and individuals, on the 21st of July 2025. The individual tax deadline would then be the 20th of October. So there's about 3 months in which you can submit your tax return unless you got an auto assessment. If you got an auto assessment, you will have until 20th of October to file a correct tax return. And then for everybody else, a provisional taxpayer, you have until the 19th of January to submit your tax return. If you're auto assessed, double check that the auto assessment is correct, and note that any additional deductions, additional sources of income, complex transactions do not pre-populate on the auto assessment or tax return, and so you will need additional help to file for those. And here are the examples of deductions. So we start with deductions. If you have a logbook or you want to claim for travel allowance, you have to get that done and file that on your return. Same for the working from home claim. Same if you made donations to public benefit organizations. And then finally, if you earn commission or independent contracting income for which you get RP5s, you have to claim those expenses separately from the RP5, so you will need additional help with that. Also, if you have additional sources of income, multiple RP5s, foreign interest or foreign dividends and rental income, you won't get auto-assessed. If you get auto-assessed on the multiple RP5s, you might want to make sure that that is 100% correct. If you had any complex transactions, sale of shares, sale of property, crypto, foreign income, consulting income, side hustle income, and believe me, people have more complex incomes going forward because a lot of people can't afford just to have one income source. Okay, so in that case, don't do the auto assessment or get some help getting that done. And so that's really it. So just to recap on the dates, the season is starting the 7th of July for auto assessments and 21st of July for everybody else. If you need more help, you can click. I'll leave in the description and in the comments a link so that you can make a booking with me to get your tax return done easily. I'll also make a video on how you can file your own 2025 tax return. Cheers.